We all dream of having a place where we can truly call our own.
A home na hindi lang basta bahay, pero yung dream home mo talaga.
Pero minsan, hindi ganun kadali.
What if OFW ka?
What if sa sobrang busy mo na sa work, wala ka ng time?
Magpabalik-balik para magpatayo ng sarili mong bahay?
What if gusto mo na lang ng house and lot na maayos na, move-in ready, and swak na swak sa lifestyle mo? And of course, gusto rin natin yung perfect community.
Safe, peaceful, and in a location na malapit sa everyday needs.
So today, I'm excited to show you the Solea house model here in Crisela, New Valley.
A home designed for families na gusto ng quality, convenience,
And a home that they can truly grow in. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Open House with Gian, and today we're here in the Solea house model in Crisela, New Valley.
this home is designed for families na ayaw na ng stress ng pagpapatayo ng bahay. Gusto ng maayos, ready, at pinag-isipang layout. At higit sa lahat, gusto ng community na pwede nilang tawaging home. If you're an OFW, a busy professional, or someone planning ahead for retirement, this might be the house you've been looking for. Kung hindi pa kayo familiar with Crisela, panoorin nyo muna yung previous video ko para mas maintindihan nyo yung buong project. Dito sa Crisela, may option kayo for lot only or house and lot. Last time, we featured the Erin model, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Pero kung feeling nyo kulang pa yung layout, lalo na kung iniisip nyo na yung long-term living or retirement, this is where Solea comes in. Isa sa pinaka-standout na feature ng Solea is may bedroom siya sa ground floor. Perfect for elderly, parents, or kahit future-proofing ng bahay.
This is the Solea house model that has a total floor area of 114 square meters.
Sitting on a lot sizes ranging from 169 to 190 square meters. Modern minimalist yung design, pero ang tunay na strength nito is how efficiently the space is used. Walang sayang, walang pilit, everything flows naturally. Marami siyang windows kaya presko, maliwanag, at tipid sa kuryente.
Even outside of your property, mapapansin mo na maayos yung planning. So before you reach your space, may sidewalk, a planting strip before you reach the gutter, tapos ito na yung road. So proper planning talaga. You also get a 2 carport. Meron na ring outlet dito for electric vehicle.
Which shows na future-ready yung bahay.
Ayan, so hi guys! Welcome to the Solea model here in Crisela, New Valley. Pagpasok mo sa bahay, ang unang bubungad sa'yo is the foyer area.
This space gives you that moment to pause, transition from the outside world papunta sa personal space mo.
May glass panel yung door.
So even during the day, natural light comes in.
From here pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung overall interior theme.
Modern Scandinavian. Malinis, kalmado, light wood finishes, neutral tones.
Hindi siya nakakapagod sa mata.
Perfect for everyday living.
Katabi naman nito is itong spacious living area.
Ang ganda ng combination ng blue tones and white oak. May drop ceiling at floor-to-ceiling curtains kaya cozy pero premier yung dating.
Nandito naman tayo sa dining area. Good for a 6-seater table.
Yung light fixtures dito is intentional, hindi lang ilaw kundi design statement.
Meron ding aircon provision dito sa ground floor.
Inverter type habang box type naman sa second floor.
Then from the dining area, meron kang access dito sa lanay using this sliding door.
Pwede mong buksan ito para pumasok yung hangin at ma-enjoy mo yung greenery. Perfect for slow mornings or relaxed dinners.
Under sa stairs, may built-in storage.
Very simple pero very useful.
Now, let's go to the kitchen area. Dito naman tayo sa kitchen, it's very spacious. And ang turnover para sa atin is itong base cabinet.
Pero yung layout niya allows you to customize and extend based on your needs.
And guys, similar to the Erin house model, meron din ditong GFCI outlet for safety. Nag-o-automatic shutdown nito kapag nababasa. Then beside the kitchen, meron tayong service entry. So tara, punta natin.
Sobrang helpful lalo na kung may groceries ka or gusto mo ng separate access when you have guests.
And you know why I highly recommend Solea models? Is because my bedroom ka sa ground floor.
Oh, okay, tara, let's go.
Here they styled it as an office pero pwede talaga siyang full bedrooms.
This is perfect for our elderly parents.
Guest or even future-proofing for your home.
Katabi naman ito is the common toilet and bath.
Gamit ang American Standard fixtures with provision for water heater.
Pag akyat mo dito sa second floor, ang una mong mapapansin is itong wood finish flooring at itong metal railings.
Maluwag at comfortable.
Yan guys, so akyat na tayo and let's proceed to the next one. Okay, so now we're here in the flex area.
Pwede mo itong gawing home office, study area, or secondary living space. Ikaw bahala kung paano mo gagamitin.
Okay, so now guys, let's proceed to the first bedroom. So tara! Now guys, we're here in bedroom number 1. Designed for a kid's room, K-pop inspired.
May 2 big windows, aircon provision, at built-in wardrobe with mirror.
Okay, now guys, let's go to the bedroom number 2. So maglalakad na tayo sa hallway and let's proceed to the left side. So guys, ito naman yung bedroom number 2. Sporty and anime style naman yung theme.
Same layout, may window, aircon provision, at wardrobe cabinet.
These 2 bedrooms share a common toilet and bath. So similar layout lang din as the first floor. And now, my favorite part of the house, the master's bedroom. So tara, samahan niyo ako.
This is where everything slows down.
Kasya dito ang queen or king size bed.
May 2 windows kaya bright, presko, at relaxing yung space.
Meron kang private toilet and bath.
Private and exclusive.
And then, you step out to your own balcony. Now guys,
Imagine this. After a long day, lalabas ka dito, fresh air, tahimik yung paligid, hawak mo yung kape mo.
this is the place where you rest, reset, and recharge. So if you're asking me, who is this Solea model for?
For OFWs who want a ready home without the hassle. For busy professionals na walang time mag-supervise ng construction. For families planning for long-term living or retirement. Now, let's go to the exciting part, the sample computation. For this one, this is the Soleo model in Crescelo Valley. This is in Block 23, Lot 19. The total lot area is 181 square meters and the total floor area is 114 square meters. So the total contract price, included na yung VAT and other charges, is at 15 million. So, how does the payment scheme work? So this is 10-10-80. This is 10% spot down payment, 10% spread in 42 months or 3.5 years. Then, the remaining balance na 80% is through bank financing. So, magre-reserve lang tayo ng 80,000 pesos. After that, magbabayad na tayo ng 10% spot DP of 1.4 million. Then, after that is magsistart na yung stretch down payment natin amounting to 1.5 million. But don't worry, that is spread in 42 months, so magbabayad tayo ng 35,000 for 42 months. So after natin yun mabayaran, the remaining balance of 12 million is babayaran naman natin through bank financing. Now, if medyo nabibigatan ka naman sa 10% spot TP, good news, Avida also has an option for spread down payment in 42 months. Meaning, babayaran natin yung whole 20% in 42 months. So how does the payment scheme work? So, magbabayad lang tayo ng 95,000 in 42 months. That will amount to 4 million pesos. Then the remaining 80% balance na 12.2 million is babayaran naman natin through bank financing. So you have 2 options to choose from. The first one is spot down payment sa unahan, then maliit na lang yung isi-spread natin in 42 months. Then the second option naman is spread down payment in 42 months. This is for people who want flexibility and ayaw magbayad ng malaking amount of money sa unahan. Now, if you want to move in right away and ayaw mo na ng hassle and stress ng pag-wait pa ng bahay mo, this is the perfect one for you. Kasi next year, turnover na agad. So this is in Aberdeen Estates, New Valley. Ang community nito is almost mata-turnover na in the year 2026. Kasi in comparison to Crescela, ang target turnover pa nito is in 2028. So, for this sample computation, this is in Block 24, Lot 5, Solea House model. The total lot area is 184 square meters while the total floor area is 114 square meters. So, the total contract price, included na yung VAT and other charges, is at 14.8 million. So, how does the payment scheme work? So, the payment scheme is 10-10-80, meaning 10% spot down payment, 10% spread in 24 months, and the remaining 80% balance is that we can pay it in cash or bank financing. So, magsa-spot down payment lang tayo ng 1.4 million. Then after that, magsa-start na yung total stretch down payment natin in 24 months amounting to 62,000 per month. Ang total accumulation nun for 24 months is 1.4 million. Then after that, ang remaining balance natin is 11.9 million. Yun yung nasa bank financing naman natin. So don't worry, from reservation all the way to the bank financing and the turnover of your property, I will personally assist you and I will be with you every step of the way.
At the end of the day,
A home is not just about walls, tiles, or finishes.
it's about peace of mind.
It's about knowing na kahit nasan ka man sa mundo,
May uuwian ka. May space para sa pamilya mo.
sa future mo at sa sarili mo.
If you're at the point in life na pagod ka na sa uncertainty and gusto mo na ng ready na bahay na para sa'yo, Solea might be the right step forward. So guys, that's it for the Solea house model here in Crisalano Valley. If you want to know more about the pricing, availability, or computation based on your budget, or if you simply want to make a site visit here in the area, you can message me directly on my number. That's my mobile number, Viber, WhatsApp. It's at +63 927 751 2781. You can also message me on my Facebook page, Open House with Gion. Or you can leave a comment down below so that I can personally assist you. This has been Open House with Gion, helping you find not just a house, but a place where you can truly call your home.